Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already and hit the bell icon. Some of the iPhone settings may be hectic for beginners. Today we're gonna learn how to change an airdrop name of your iPhone. Before beginning with the video, keep in mind that changing your airdrop name means changing the name of your iPhone itself. So now let us hop on inside the iPhone settings, then go inside general and again to about. There you can see the current name of your iPhone. Tap on it and update the name as you want. After entering the name you want, click on done. Now whenever you try to airdrop any files, the new name will appear. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and if you face any problem, let us know on the comment section below. And also hit the like button if the video helped you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar videos.